And welcome to our meteorology segment. I'm your host, Dan, aka Smash-A-Mash. Let's get into it. Starting out looking at the surface winds here of planet Earth. We had a little increase in snow in the northeastern U.S. Let's take a look at the jet streams and see what's coming next. Some very cold air being injected into the southern U.S. Also, look at the extreme meridional jet stream bend here over the North Atlantic. It's a 180-degree bend. It's called meridional jet stream flow when it's flowing north to south or south to north instead of the normal west to east fashion. Chaotic jet stream here over Australia, New Zealand area, as well as some equatorial jet motion here north of places like Papua New Guinea. Here are the surface winds of the eastern world. Powerful cyclonic system rotating clockwise there south of the Aleutian Islands. So let's take a look at snow depth here. This is the snow depth forecast based on the European model. So here's where we are now. And here's where we'll be Wednesday. That's 11 a.m. Wednesday. And that's the European snow depth forecast model. So a little bit of extra snow expected to fall there in the center of the country. Let's continue on to show the positive snow depth change based on the GFS model. It's another 72-hour forecast. It looks like a lot of that centrally located snow has been downgraded a bit. Heavier snow is forecasted for the northern Rockies. Again, it's a 72-hour GFS forecast for positive snow depth change. Let's take a look at the situation of snow. Snow water equivalent well above 1 standard deviation above normal. Snow extent actually on the low side, just at the bottom of the standard deviation range, at about 1 standard deviation below normal snow extent. And snow mass balance well over 1 standard deviation above normal. It's the 6th consecutive winter featuring a graph like this to the point where it's changing the average. Over the past 30 years, the 1982 to 2012 average is the shaded blue area. Next, your weather.gov map. If your county is lit, just click it. We've got some wind chill advisories in the northern portion of Pennsylvania and much of upstate New York and the entire state of Vermont. Again, if your county is lit, just click it on weather.gov. We've got a lengthy band here of fairly concentrated lightning over the Atlantic Ocean, stretching from the Caribbean all the way to Newfoundland. Yeah, Newfoundland. And here's your real-time lightning map. Since we're streaming live, we like to show the real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org to give you an idea where the teeth of the storms are located. Not too exciting going on. Not too exciting goings on. But we are excited to be streaming live to Twitch. We just love the platform. Thanks to our followers over on Twitch. Tell your friends and foes about us, etc. Thanks to our BitChute subscribers. BitChute viewers, please make sure you view on YouTube. We're trying to advertise the YouTube channel over here. We don't get too controversial on YouTube because of the pathetic censorship on the platform. So make sure you press like and subscribe on YouTube. Tell your friends and foes about us. Press share. If you're only viewing on BitChute, you're missing like 90% of the content. YouTube.com/Smash-A-Mash. We'll have 3 other premieres after this one about space weather. Next thing we're looking at is a water vapor over the Pacific Ocean. We've got some interference happening there on the GOES-16 satellite. Trust me, folks, the water vapor has not done that. Those are some errors happening. And they're not caused by solar flares. Not this time. Next, the U.S. Doppler radar map will zoom out to show all 50 states. Shout out to our viewers from Alaska and Hawaii, as well as our international viewers and viewers from the lower 48. There's the current U.S. Doppler radar map. We'll also show the shortwave radiation to show clouds and fog. Look at all the low clouds over the eastern seaboard here once again. Also low clouds, a lot of them over the Gulf of Mexico. That system moving up to the northeast. And there is the water vapor map a large band of dry air stretching all the way from Nevada to Newfoundland. Anyway, here's your recap. Thanks for tuning in to the meteorology segment, folks. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, a.k.a. Smash-A-Mash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.